guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another beauty advent calendar, and she is, woo, about to be dropped. It is the Too Faced Enchanted advent calendar. Ooh, ah. And it was $100. So it's definitely one of the more expensive advent calendars for getting only 12 items. The value they do say is supposed to be $225 though, which I'm gonna keep my eyes on that because I remember when it said it was coming soon that their value on the website for the longest time said the value was $125. All of a sudden before it launched, it switched up to $225 in value. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on the value just because I was like, wait, hold up. Didn't that used to say 125? Maybe it was a misprint. I don't know. But here's of course what the calendar looks like. It is a small little box. I'm sure actually there's more of the calendar in here. That's just the outer box. Okay, here's what the calendar looks like. Bum, ba, da, ba. And then it's got, whoops, all of the boxes in here for all 12 days that this calendar is for anyways. Let's get started with day number 1, which is right up here, and I kind of like how they did this. There's a little flap in door number 1 to help you grab it out from all of this. So that's smart that they did that. So let's find out what is in box number 1 here. Woo! We got the Lip Injection Extreme. I actually think it's just like clear plumping lip gloss. I was gonna try to show you guys it, but it's just clear. There's not really much to it. Ooh, it has a really nice fruity scent though. I know, I think I might, I think I might just try it out on my lips anyway. Just kind of see how it goes. All right, so gloss is fully applied and it is already tingling. Oh my gosh. Quite intense. I've used plumping lip glosses before. They're not exactly my favorite. I like the effects of them, but I'm not the biggest fan of the like really tingly, intense ones. And this one feels like it might be kind of intense. It's already really tingly. But let's go ahead and go on to item number 2, and that one is right in here. This little box. Let's see what we got. I was really keeping my fingers crossed that this box was gonna be full sizes just because of the price tag, but it looks like we got our first deluxer here. So this is a deluxe size of their Primed and Poreless. This is their pore banishing and blurring face primer. It's also supposed to be mattifying and skin smoothing as well, which I mean, does sound really good. Let's go on to item number 3 now, which is right down here. Let's go ahead and grab this box and open her up. Oh, we got another teeny tiny little product. Is this deluxe size? I think it is, but this is their Peach Lip Balm. Their Mega Moisture Lip Balm. I think I might actually trade the plumping gloss for this one right now. The tingling did go away, you guys. I forgot to mention it. It didn't stay tingly for too long, which is good. It did go away, but now just the lip balm going on. Oh, they feel smooth. Smells really good too. It smells like the peaches. That's nice. That was our 3rd item now. Let's cross our fingers here. We start getting a little bit more full size here. Let's find number 4, which is right up in here. Let's grab this guy and open it up. Are they pulling a Sephora? So our 4th item is a pin for Too Faced. Hold on, let me pull it out the wrapper. There we go, just so we could get a better look at this guy. So it's just a pin with their cute little puppy dog. I don't know, I kind of, okay, well, hear me out here. I kind of feel like Too Faced is a bit more of an adult brand. They have a lot of kind of risque, kind of inappropriate names for things, so I don't necessarily see a lot of kids getting this. I mean, maybe some like high school kids are getting this, but even then, would they want pins? You know what? Okay, let's just keep going. Let's keep going here. Maybe it's gonna start to get better. I certainly hope so. But that was item number 4. Let's go for 5, which I can see is right in here. Let's see what you have. Oh, finally, we got another full size here. It's about time. Oh my gosh. This is their 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer, their Shadow Insurance. I've actually used this one before, so I am excited about this one. It is a good eyeshadow primer. I am someone who does swear by eyeshadow primers, and this one is actually a really good one, so I am excited for that. Let's go on to item number 6 and see what is in here. I spoke too soon. Another deluxe size. So this right here is their Hangover RX. It is their Pillow Cream Ultra Nourishing Night Cream. It is infused with mineral-rich stardust, so you can hydrate, sleep, and glow. What is stardust? Is it just like supposed to be glowy? Is it shimmer? Oh, it smells good. Kind of has like a coconutty smell, but yet it's kind of fruity. And I do believe that's what the stardust they say was supposed to be in here, because I do see that there is a shimmer where I applied that little swatch of this product. So it's gonna give you a bit of a shimmery glow after you apply this one. And again, they do classify this one as a deluxe size, but I definitely would say this is more of a sample size. It is almost like 1/10 the size of a full size, so very, very small amount compared to a full. And then now let's go for 7, which is up here in a big box, so let's keep our fingers crossed. And finally, we got another full size here. Yes! And this one's the Damn Girl 24-hour mascara. Now, I'm not gonna open this one up right now. I do have quite a few mascaras open at the moment that I wanna work my way through first, and then I'll open up a new one. So I'm gonna pop an image up here of what the wand looks like. That way you can get kind of an idea of this one. But I have tried this mascara before, and I do really like it. It is definitely a one and done kind of coat mascara, because it does give a lot of volume, but I remember that if you put a couple layers on, it's gonna get very chunky and kind of clumpy. So I would definitely recommend sticking with just like one, maybe like a second coat, just for a little touch up in between where you kind of missed it. But go kind of light-handed with this one, because otherwise it can get a little bit thick. Just a little tip from me to you. All right, but on to now number 9, I think it is. Is that at 7? Oh wait, no, 8. 8, sorry. Right up here. Let's go for it. What do we have here? You really like the deluxe sizes in this box, I can tell. This right here is their Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer. But it does say that this primer is supposed to be cooling when you put it on, so I guess that's why they have that cooling matte skin on there. Sounds pretty cool. But it's supposed to help blur the flaws, smooth complexion, and brighten using a peach tint that works for any skin tone for a soft focus finish that's lightweight, comfortable, and smells as good as it feels. It is really tiny though. I mean, this is even just a 1/4 of the size of their travel size, so it is teeny tiny in comparison. That's the only thing that I've really started to notice with this calendar, is like they have like the smallest versions of the deluxe sizes in these boxes. But we got 4 more items to go through, so let's grab number 9 here and see what is in here. This is a small box. You guys, they double pinned us. Oh my gosh. We got 2 pins inside of this box. It is a broken heart with a lipstick, and it says Too Faced Best Friends. Here's the backing, just so you could kind of see that. Yeah, I mean, you guys heard my opinion on the first pin. I definitely feel the same way about the second. I mean, I will give it to them that they are cute enamel pins, but I mean, now 2 days being a pin? I don't know, guys. I don't know about this. You guys know me, I try to stay always optimistic, but I can't help it. I'm just feeling kind of like, really? Oh gosh, okay, let's keep rolling. Let's keep going. Number 10 over here on the side. This one is a bigger box. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Oh, thank God. We got something better here, I think. So this right here is a full size of their Too Faced Better Than Bleep eyeliner. And it has a really nice fine tip to the brush. It's not a felt tip, it's one of those ones where it has all the bristles really tightly packed together to make a really fine point. I have tried this like formula in the mascara version. I have not tried the liner before, so I am very excited. It does look really nice, pigmented, and this is the type of liner I love to get. On to day number 11, we just got 2 more items to go. see what is in here. It looks like it's gonna be a little palette. Of course I drop it. So this right here is their Fruit Cocktail Blush Duos. It is their Apricot in the Act. And this one is even a deluxe size here. Two really pretty shades. I'm not gonna lie though, I feel like this one looks more like a highlighter to me. I don't know if I'm the only one getting that kind of a vibe from it. You know what? Maybe it would be fun to kind of swirl these two together. See what color we get. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let me show you that super fast. So separate, swirl together. That's pretty cute. I'd wear it like that. But now we have the last product, which ended up falling upside down here. This is number 12. Feels kind of heavy. Feels kind of heavy. Let's see. And it is another full size. Heck yes. At least they're finishing strong here. So this is the Too Faced Better Than Mascaras. I know this is one that it's either you love it or you hate it. There is no in between with this mascara. And I am personally on the love it side. I remember I used to wear nothing but this mascara like 2 years ago. This is what I swore by. I have since discovered quite a few other ones that I do enjoy a little bit more than this one, but you know, it was a good mascara and I will stick by that. But that was it, you guys. That was our very last item for the Too Faced Advent Calendar. So let's recap real fast here before I give you guys the value. So we ended up with 5 full-size makeup items. We got 2 pins, and then we got 5 items that they call deluxe size. I call sample size items here. So that is our roundup of the 12. And then I've been keeping track here of the values. Okay, we are way off. I only got $162.50 in value. They claim it's $225. Now, I don't have included the price of the 2 pins that we got in the box, just because I don't really know what those would go for. I'm assuming it's only like $5 maybe each, but they do have a pin pack on their website. You get 3 of them. I think it was like $4.50. So I think $5 each is kind of generous, but you know, let's say each one's about $5 each. So we'll grab in another like 10 bucks. That's only like $172 in value. That is a way off. I wonder if they actually took the actual value of the sizes they're putting in there, or if they're giving like travel size prices. So I say that this one is a definite pass. I would not recommend this calendar, no. But I still really hope that you guys enjoyed me unboxing it for you guys today. I spent my money so that way you guys don't have to. I can save your guys a little bit of coin in case you guys were planning to pick this one up. Now you don't have to. But make sure you let me know down below in the comment section what you guys thought of this calendar. Are you as disappointed as I am? I certainly hope so. But if you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!